Okay, we're just working on this Bosch router. I can't see the code for it on there. But anyway, I was a bit worried it was going to be the phase control for the speed, but you've been lucky, it's only the switch. So first of all, I just set my meter to continuity so it beeps. That's set in. Then I tested the wires going in. So that one's fine. That one's fine. So obviously I've just connected the wires across the switch and then test the switch. So obviously I know the switch is faulty. I'll just show you that again. Wires across the switch. So if they touch, you know it's going to be working. If not, so it ain't working. I'll just operate the switch. So I know it's the switch that's faulty. I'll buy a new switch and it should be okay. So that's the Bosch router. Oh, GMF 1400 CE Professional.